What's up guys, Mike. It is September 22nd, my bad. So it is the second day of fall, officially. This video is actually going to be about how I got into motorcycles. I actually bought my bike before I had the license, which is apparently pretty common. People go buy the bike they want and then do the course, because now it's a rush to get the course done because they want to ride their bike that's sitting in the garage that they can't ride. So anybody that's following the channel knows I ride a 2014 Ducati Monster 1200. I'm probably going to get a lot of flack for this. So I started on my first bike. I'm going to get a lot of flack for this. So my first bike ever, my own bike, was a 1200cc naked bike. Now I know a lot of people say, oh, you should never buy a 1000cc liter bike to start. You're going to kill yourself. Don't get me wrong. I more than heard enough of those comments and those discussions before buying the bike. It was just more of a... I waited until I was roughly 30 to buy a motorcycle. Don't get me wrong, I still did stupid shit. But I was going to buy what I wanted, regardless of the size of it. For as long as I've ever wanted a motorcycle, this was the motorcycle I wanted to buy. So I wasn't going to go halfway or go cheap or anything like that. I was going to go for what I wanted from the get-go. Now, do I recommend anybody starting on a 1000cc motorcycle? No, I can't recommend it. Oh, goddamn bumps. But I told myself, as long as I know what my limits are because of work, anybody that has me on social media knows that I work for a helicopter company in Northern Ontario. I can physically and financially not afford to get hurt at all. Can't afford to break a leg, can't afford to break an arm, anything like that. So I will always err on the cautionary side of things, just because, like I said, I cannot afford to get hurt. I cannot afford to be sitting at home for weeks on end because I hurt myself doing stupid shit. So bought the bike, it sat in storage. I actually bought the bike, and then within pretty much right after I bought the bike, pretty much the minute I signed for the papers, I picked the paperwork for the bike, the dealership was like, oh well, so like when are you going to be picking it up to get it out of their storeroom, because I guess they wanted to make room for a bike. So now I bought this bike that I can't drive. I didn't have a garage at the time, so I was lucky I was just able to get them to deliver the bike to where I used to work. It's a private hangar at the airport, Mirabel Airport. I put on about 7,000 kilometers on the bike last season. So within a week and a half in June 2019, I was home for like 10 days in June, and I was able to ride it again for about a month starting around this time last year. So in like 6 weeks of riding, I put like 7,000 kilometers on the bike. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button. If you're not already subscribed, hit the subscribe button. You can always hit the bell if you want notifications. And we will see you in the next video.